This chat is acting crazy. It's because I've been live too long. When you do a live stream too long, you gotta start looking at the chat from a different device because you ain't gonna be able to see nothing. The chat is moving, but whenever I try to scroll back up to the top, it don't allow me. Boom, we're gonna pull over right here. All right, we got that order confirmed. Got that picture. Yeah, I felt safe this time. I'm not gonna cap. Yes, you keep that information confidential because I know you care. $2 base, $3 tip. I can dig it. Now I need my stuff to update because it didn't. What's going on there? 27.25 so far for this dash. I ain't even mad at it. You know what? I'm ending this because I'm tired. Damn! Before I could even end it, they hurry up and send me that shit. No, because I'm not going over there. Let's decline that. Take me down to 29% and end my dash. End it. End it. $27 for an hour and 25 minutes. If you say so. Yeah, it says it's 7:04. So that's 2 hours and 9 minutes. You see how they try to play you? My start time was 4:51. Basically 10 minutes before 5. It's 7 o'clock. That's 2 hours and 15 minutes. They tweaking. Look, they try to make you feel like you worked the hour and 25 minutes because that's how long you was active. No, my ass was out for 2 hours and 15 minutes to make this. Don't let them trick you guys. But I'm happy with it. We made $27 on this little run. Come on. We made $27 on this run. We made a total of $41 today on Doordash. So I put 50 in the tank when I started this live stream, y'all. Look, I put 50 in the tank when I started. I'm still on full. I used a little bit, but we still basically full. You see what I'm saying? We still full. So I made 40 on Doordash. I put 50 in the tank when I started. We made 41 on Doordash. Let's see how much we made on Sluba. Okay, them tips must have came through. We did 30 on Uber. So we did 40 on Doordash, 30 on Uber. I made all my gas money back with an extra $20 in profit. Let's get it. I'll take it. I will take that. I'm tired, y'all. I've been out all day. I don't even be doing food delivery this long. This is what you got to realize. Like normally, let me see what I got in the earnings tab for Uber. We got 30 in the earnings tab for Uber, and we got 40 over on Doordash. Not bad. I made my gas money back. I didn't do no shopping pays. It was all easy. You know, it was all just pick up and drop off. It lots of wait time and frustration, but that comes with this food delivery. It really do. It comes with it. You know, if you go out and have a full shift of food delivery and you don't get frustrated and you don't lose your mind, nigga, you won. Straight up. Shout out to all the brand new channel members. We got a new channel member today. If you want to have exclusive access to some videos on my channel before they drop to the public, get you that membership. If you want to support what we got going on over here on this channel, get you a membership. It ain't nothing but like $2. Your ass will go out and spend $2 on fucking Doordash or cigarillos. You don't want to buy a membership? Well, fuck it then. Do what you want to do. But the shit's cheap, man. It's not a lot of money. So, you know, if you want to support the channel, buy a membership. You know, it ain't that much. But even if you don't, look, I'm doing a giveaway for all the members. Once I get all these designs submitted to the merchandiser so that I can get my merchandise printed and start getting it exported, we making it happen. Hats, shirts, delivery bags, all of that. Channel members gonna get first access to that because y'all been showing support for a long time. I appreciate y'all. We made our gas money back. We entertained the community for a night. You know, it's the least I can do. Hopefully another content creator pick up the ball for tomorrow night, you know, and do a live stream throughout the night so the community can have somewhere to come chill at. Shout out to all the people who stopped by, everybody who I fucks with. Shout out to everybody who I don't fuck with, because I know you watching me because you can't help it. And look, I'll catch y'all in the next one. I'm about to go home, smoke, hang out, and maybe put a video together. But until then, I'll holler at y'all. Let me how I end this shit. Hit that X right there. Hit that X. Okay, so it don't want me to end it. It want me to stay. Okay. YouTube said I gotta stay.